To begin using Workday for Florida Polytechnic, navigate to the Faculty and Staff Resources page of the university website. Select Workday at the bottom. This is the University Workday portal. Enter in your credentials and complete Duo security. Once you log in to the Workday portal, you should see the home page. Select the link View All Apps, select the app time, and then select Enter Time for this week. You should see a calendar. Begin by selecting the first day of the pay period that you worked. A window will pop up giving you an in and out time range. Enter the time you worked for each day this week. When you have finished, select Review. Once you have verified the details as correct, press Submit. You will be redirected to the time calendar. You have successfully entered your hours. Thank you.